In today's video, we're highlighting the best stopwatch and timer apps for Android that can help you keep track of time in various activities. Whether you need precise timing for workouts, cooking, or any other task, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Stopwatch Timer Android. Stopwatch Timer Android is a straightforward app designed for users who need a reliable and easy-to-use tool for timing events. This app features a clean interface that allows users to switch between stopwatch and timer modes effortlessly. The stopwatch function includes lap timing, perfect for tracking multiple intervals during activities like running or workouts. Additionally, the timer function can handle multiple timers at once, making it ideal for cooking, exercises, or any timed activities. Users also appreciate the customizable alarm settings and the ability to reset and store previous records, making this app a well-rounded choice for time management. Hybrid Stopwatch Timer. Hybrid Stopwatch Timer combines the features of both a stopwatch and a timer in an intuitive app that caters to various timing needs. Its unique design allows users to easily toggle between modes, making it perfect for activities that require both tracking laps and setting countdowns. The app comes with a variety of customizable options, including themes and timer sounds, enabling users to tailor their experience. With features like lap splitting and a clear display of a lap's time, Hybrid Stopwatch Timer is suitable for athletes, cooks, and anyone who needs precise timing without hassle. Classic Stopwatch and Timer. Classic Stopwatch and Timer is a minimalist app that focuses on providing a simple yet efficient timing solution. With its straightforward layout, users can quickly access the stopwatch and timer functions without any distractions. The app includes essential features like lap timings, countdown timers, and the ability to save previous results. Additionally, it offers accurate timing with options for sound alerts when timers expire. Ideal for users who prefer a no-frills approach, Classic Stopwatch and Timer is perfect for those who need reliable timing for various tasks without unnecessary complexity. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Stopwatch Timer Android, Hybrid Stopwatch Timer, and Classic Stopwatch and Timer helps you find the perfect app to manage your timing needs. Let us know in the comments which app you plan to try. Until next time, happy timing.